So here's how to fix Discord keeps disconnecting and reconnecting problem. So first you want to open your Discord in the app or browser, and then go to the channel, the voice channel where the problem occurs. Join the channel, and in here right click the channel, click edit. Now in the overview tab, scroll all the way down till you see region override. Now in here, you can choose automatic, or if you know the best region for you and your friends in the channel, you can specifically select it to have the best ping. The region should be close to all of the users so they have better performance, or you can leave it automatic to do that automatically. Now you can simply close this. Next, you want to go to the user settings and then go to audio and video, or voice and video, and scroll down in here under the noise suppression. And in here you should scroll down all the way down till you see high quality, high priority packets. So if you don't see it in the web version, you will need to download the Discord application. So I'm going to the Discord application here, scroll all the way down. So you see quality of service, enable quality of service high packet priority. You need to enable this option right here. Now, if it's already enabled in your app, you should try to disable it. And then you should scroll down here to the audio subsystem. Now, if it's set to standard or automatic, you should try legacy mode. Now, if the legacy still does not fix the issue, you can try the next gen here. And that should require you to restart Discord completely. Next, you want to close Discord and then go to the system settings. And in here, you will need to go to the network and internet and click on the VPN section. And here you want to make sure that you're not already connected to a VPN. So if you are connected, you should see a disconnect button in here. Otherwise, you can look on your taskbar to see if you have an external VPN software so you can disconnect it and close it. Next, we want to change DNS settings by right-clicking Windows icon, go to settings, and then network and internet. Click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi or whichever network you're using. Now click on Edit Server, DNS Server Assignment, and set the settings to manual. Enable IPv4 and use this Google Public DNS 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS, we want to use 8.8.4.4. Now click Save. Now you can simply close this. Next, we want to go to the Windows firewall settings. So we want to type firewall in the search, the settings here. Click Windows Defender Firewall. Now you can either temporarily disable the firewall completely, or you can allow an app or feature through firewall by clicking it. And then if you don't find or if you don't see Discord in here, you should click allow another app and then browse. And you should browse to Discord installation path. Now, if you don't know where it is, you can go to the desktop, right click on Windows or right click on Discord icon, and then click properties, and then click open file location, and it should take you exactly where it is installed. Now you can simply copy this path and then go back to the firewall settings, allow another app, browse, and then paste the path in here, press enter, and it should take you there. Now select Discord and open it, and then click add to add it to this list. Now make sure to check the private and public domain sections. Now click on app, or click on OK to confirm it. Now you can simply close this. Now you just want to right click on the Discord app on the desktop and then click on run as admin, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.